In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a currency symbol in ClickUp. If you want to track budgets, prices, costs, or any other money-related values inside your ClickUp workspace, adding a money field is a simple and effective way to do it. This lets you display a proper currency symbol next to the amount, which makes your task data easier to read and much more organized. To get started, open the ClickUp list where you want to add the currency field. Make sure you're in the specific list that contains the tasks you want to work with, because the field will be added there and can then be used across those tasks. Once you're inside the correct list, look above the task list and click on Columns. This is where you manage the fields that appear in your list view. If you've never customized columns before, this is the area where you can add new custom fields to capture the exact type of information you need. After opening Columns, search for either currency or money in the field options. When you see the money field, select it. This field type is specifically designed for monetary values, so it's the right choice when you want ClickUp to display a currency symbol along with the number. Next, enter a name in the field name box. Choose a clear name that matches what you're tracking. For example, you might use something like budget, cost, price, or estimated spend. A descriptive field name helps keep your workspace easy to understand, especially if multiple people are using the same list. After naming the field, click the currency drop-down menu. This is where you choose which currency symbol will be used for that field. Select the currency you want, such as USD, which displays as the US dollar symbol. Be sure to choose the option that matches the type of financial data you plan to enter, so everything stays consistent. Once that's set, click Create. ClickUp will now add the new money field to your list, and you should see it appear as a new column beside your tasks. To use it, click the new field next to any task and enter the currency amount. You can repeat this for as many tasks as needed. This is a great way to compare costs at a glance and keep all financial details directly connected to your work. And that's it. You've successfully added a currency symbol in ClickUp and can now start entering money values in a clean, organized format. Thanks for watching.